For many tasters, the aroma of almond is closest to the aroma of marzipan, which is a confectionery paste made primarily of very finely ground almonds and powdered sugar. Cherry is also a commonly used descriptor, especially cherry candy. Almond flavor and aroma can come from a variety of sources. In many beers, it appears due to long-term aging-related changes that are accelerated by storage in non-refrigerated conditions. Beer can also be intentionally aged to develop this aroma, or brewers can add almond flavoring. An almond flavor can also be a result of extensive aging of beer on fruit that has a pit. This includes apricots and cherries, with the almond flavor becoming notable as the pit of the fruit dissolves over time. To avoid this flavor as an aging artifact, beer should be stored cold during its entire storage duration. To intentionally add this flavor, almond extract is a liquid food ingredient that can easily be dosed at measured levels into beer. This extract especially gives the flavor and aroma of marzipan rather than of almonds in whole nut form. When aging beer on fruit, especially pit fruit, longer aging with the fruit pits exposed can increase this aroma. But brewers must also be aware of other components contributed to the beer as fruit substantially ages during storage.